Warning: CP is not a professional chef but can still help you find and make your next amazing meal. So let's not waste any more time and 走起吧。Known as the 窩蛋免治牛肉飯 in Cantonese, it is a classic dish that can be found at many Hong Kong-style diners aka茶餐廳 in the city and around the world. Roughly translated as the minced beef rice with egg, it is a must-try for those unfamiliar with Hong Kong-style cafe food. Today, I'll show you how to make an easy homemade version of this classic Hong Kong dish in the comfort of your own home. So ladies and gentlemen, let's start cooking, cause this is gonna be good. The basic ingredients includes ground beef, water, rice, egg, sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, frozen vegetables, and minced garlic. Other ingredients include starch, sweet soy sauce, white pepper, and cooking wine.
Let's go!
Step number 1. Marinate the beef. 第一步，醃牛肉。500 grams of beef will serve about 3 to 4 people. Loosen up the beef. Add in white pepper, optional. Soy sauce. Water. Cornstarch. If your beef is too dry, don't hesitate to add in more water. Let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes. Step number 2. Make the sauce. 第二步，做醬汁。Soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, mix well. White pepper, optional step. Step number 3. Get your other ingredients ready. 第三步，準備好其他配料。Rice, eggs, minced garlic, frozen vegetables, starch and water, sweet soy sauce, hot water. Add oil to beef. Step number 4. Fry and mix. 第四步，一齊煎炒。Turn to medium-high heat. Add oil. Add minced garlic. Add beef. Make sure you loosen up the beef really well. Fry on one side first, do not overcook. Add in the cooking wine to get rid of the natural raw taste of the meat. flip your beef. Remember to not overcook your beef here, otherwise your meal will be completely ruined. Add in your sauce. Mix well. Add in vegetables. Add in hot water. Put on the lid and wait for 1 to 3 minutes. Add sesame oil, optional step. Add in your sweet soy sauce. Add starch and water. Step number 5, the final step. Put on the beef and vegetables. Add in your egg. I usually recommend 1 egg per person. Things are coming together, and don't forget to break open your egg. And there you go. Ladies and gentlemen, you now have a little taste of Hong Kong in the comfort of your own home. If you enjoyed this video and have any comments, make sure you let me know below. For 100 years of good luck, don't forget to like this video within the next 5 seconds. Also, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more from my crappy cooking, make sure that you subscribe right now, and I'll love you forever. I promise.